Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, May 12th, and this is my analysis for the Euro Yen. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel. It's linked over here down in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, I start off on the daily time frame because I just want to show that I still think there's a better chance that we're going up, probably to about the 171 area, right around the 78% Fibonacci retracement of this whole move down, potentially for a wave C of wave B. So just keep that in mind as you go down to the shorter time phase. Basically, I personally would be looking for logs. I definitely wouldn't be trying to go long up against a major resistance area that we're sitting at now after the market just pushed up so hard. I think more than likely I would have to wait for a pullback. I would have to wait for like a nice three-wave pullback in order to go long. Whether it makes a pullback now or whether it keeps on drifting up or whatever it does, I don't really care what it does. All I know is that when and if I see a three-wave pullback, something like this, that is where I will be looking to go long. Whether it happens now, whether it happens later, doesn't matter. Just keep an eye, keep your patience, and wait for three-way pullbacks for an entry to go long, potentially for the continuation of this wave C of wave B on the daily time frame. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.